Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be doing a Simply layout plan with me. I'm thinking of incorporating these pages into my catch-all planner just for some tracking. And I thought I would, decorate the pages because that's always fun. And I have the Simply layout. This I received from the Happy Planner. There are versions of it, I think, still available. If there are, I'll link it if I can find it. I know that this particular one was from Walmart and it was from last year, I believe. Yeah, it was a 2023 to July 2023 to June 2024 planner. So basically, if you're familiar with the Happy Planner layouts, this is the right side version of the dashboard. So it's a very simple layout. It's not a lot of pages, which is nice. You see 2 weeks on when it's fully open, and it's just simple. So I'm going to use this for tracking, and I'm trying to be better about like my fitness and being active. So I want to track that on here. I don't want to track that on my catch-all planner. So this is going to be like just where I track certain things. Also like my skincare routine. I'm trying to be better about that too. Because I am getting older. So this year I turned 40. So I just want to be more on top of that. And I think that this would be good. And then I like that I could stick it in my planner and just like fold it in half like this. And just put it right in the middle of my weekly spread. So that's kind of the plan for this. I have some sticker books from Planything, the holiday season, because right now it actually feels like winter for San Diego, California, Southern California. I know that in other places it's definitely a lot colder, a lot snowier and all that, but for us it's pretty chilly. It's actually raining right now. It's supposed to rain for the next few days. So I want to do like a wintry themed spread, and then I have also favorite florals because there's some really pretty blue florals in here, and also some boxes and stuff that I could possibly pull in. And bullet points and stuff. So that's kind of the idea for this, is just to do a nice quick little spread. So this for the upcoming week, which is the 22nd. Yes, this week. Okay, so I'm going to do this week's right here. Okay, so let me get some marked paper. And let me show you the theme, or the decorative stickers I wanted to pull from here that are like wintry. Like, look how cute these are. Like, I'm not going to lie, I'm glad that we don't deal with snow here, because I can't deal with the snow. Where I grew up, it would snow one day out of the year, and it was like it was just a snow day, and the next day it was gone. It was all melted away and didn't have to deal with it after that. So that's the only way I could deal with it if I did have to deal with it. But to live in it, oh no, definitely not. So look how cute like these are. And there's even some rainy day ones, which right now that's really appropriate for this week. But I'm gonna go with like all these cute stickers. Are so cute. They look all comfy cozy in their outfits. Yeah, I've been surprised like how cold it's been getting here. It's been pretty chilly. And where in my place I live in like an apartment, and it is not very well insulated in here. Like my windows are basically like one pane. They are terrible, and my room is really, really cold. So I do have to turn the heat on at night because it's just way too cold. So if you're here again, it's cold. But I'm just gonna grab some of these, and then I was thinking of mixing in some. I'll get the rainy one. This is the only page. Yeah. I was thinking of mixing in some florals just because I thought that would be cute to mix in both of these. And then I'll have these books linked down in the description. Honestly, I think they're a great size for like mini spreads and like this dashboard spread here because it doesn't take up a lot of room, which you'll see in a bit. It doesn't take up a lot of room on the page, so that way you still have room to write on your plans, which is nice. Okay, so I really like these blue dark colored ones, but then these are pretty too. I'm going more dark, but I don't know if that really goes with this theme. Even though I want it to go with the theme. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. So I'm just gonna pull some of these flowers because I think they're pretty. And some of these, I like that she, like Planything includes them like in pieces. So that way I can make my own clusters, because it's like one of my favorite things to do is just make my own little clusters of florals myself. Okay. And then, oh, there's boxes in here. So I can grab the boxes. Where are the boxes? Okay, I have these boxes here. So I'm just gonna grab these. Some of these. There's some nice like bullet points, which I can use. So I'll put these here. Here. Got some circle stickers. Okay, so this I'm gonna leave as it is. I'm actually gonna use this. When I used to use this layout as a mini spread on the Go planner, I would just cover this up, but for this purpose I'm definitely going to actually use this so I can do some tracking on here. But I can add a little cute like girl maybe, or the guy kind of walking this way. How did I do that? I add him. I want to add it with a tree. Did I cover up the tree? Okay, this tree is so light that you can barely even see it. Can you see it on the page? No, you can't. We're just gonna put the tree with him. You can barely see it though. That's okay. We'll just put him walking this way. Oh, you can see it better on the page. Okay, good. That works. And then I'm just gonna add boxes just because I like adding boxes wherever I can. We'll add this floral piece. And then I'll just kind of like start building on it with these little pieces here. Kind of like behind, like that. Okay, and that's it. Like just a little bit of decor goes a long way. So I can do like what I plan on doing working out wise. I could do like my PM routine, my skincare routine, that kind of thing in that box if I want to. I kind of switch it up like how I do each day, just because I find that a little bit more fun in a way, I guess. Yeah, just that way everything's not like always the same. Okay, I'm actually gonna put this down here. Okay, and then I can add another. I'll add this girl next to that. Let's see, maybe I can do a tree and then this girl. Do the tree kind of behind her. And then her walking. Oh, she's actually on ice skates. That's okay. Looks like she's walking. Okay, like that. And then I got a circle sticker. I'll just stick, actually I want to stick some florals with it, so let's get some flowers. Little piece here. Oops. In the corner. We'll stick that here in the middle. Okay, I need to grab a couple more of these people. You know what I should have done? Like, this girl is too red. She looks too Christmassy. So we're gonna take her off. I'm gonna put this girl. I feel like this girl will fit the color scheme a little bit better. So we'll stick her here. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. And then we'll stick another girl like over here somewhere, or a person. So we have this one. This is making like snow angels. Okay, let me grab this guy. I'll just stick him right here. Well, actually, here. Just kind of just laid out on the page because he's making a snow angel. So that, yeah, I mean, that's good. Okay, and then, you know what I'm thinking? I kind of want to move this because I plan on folding this piece of paper. And I kind of don't want stickers in the center. Okay. So I feel like if I put them in the center, the sticker will get a little messed up, so we'll just, still enough room to write, so I think that'll work. Okay, cool. Now I need to get more florals. I need a couple more boxes. So I have some of these. I'll put some bullet points down too. I'm gonna put a box here with a floral. Let's go back to those florals. Again, a little bit goes a long way, which is nice. Let's do a dark one, maybe. Actually, I kind of like this, like this one. This one's pretty. It's different. Okay, so we'll put this kind of on the edge. And then I got some, actually I want a contrast. So let me grab one of these. It's a different color. Stick that here. And I actually also want, I like these like little ones that look like little, like round bits on it. I could stick that behind there. Okay, and then we'll put this here. Oh, actually it says in the center. We'll stick it here. Yeah. Okay, I need a couple more boxes for down here. So there's a couple more here. I'll just grab this one and put it here. Actually, let me move this over here. Okay, and then I want to put some bullet points down, so I'll do that next. So I got a bunch of bullet points that I can put down. Okay, let me get this darker blue. Just a couple here and there will be good. Okay. I have some washi. It's just like this blue washi from Amazon. I think this will, yeah, this will go. Okay. So I'm just gonna add washi in a couple of places here and there. Maybe just top and bottom. Okay, top and bottom. This is a nice, like, thin washi. Okay. So, I think that's gonna be it. I didn't want to put too much on the spread because, you know, I definitely want to leave room for all the things I wanted to track. But I feel like a little bit of decor is nice to have on the spread. And I'm really loving the winter theme with these stickers. I think they're really cute. I mean, I could do a little snowman. Let's do a snowman because I feel like the colors are pretty appropriate. So I'll put him on the page, maybe like here. Let's move this down. And put him on top. Okay, cute. All right, so that's gonna be it. And then I plan on being better about showing after the pens this year on my channel. So I will show that, like once it's completed, I will show that. I'm gonna try to do like end of the month ones so that you can see how I use my planner. A lot of people always question like how I write in my planner with all these stickers in the way. So that way you can see, you can get a lot on these pages even when you use stickers. Like all this open white space, all the inside space, that's all writable space. So I'll be better about showing that so that way you can see that whole process after the fact. But that is going to be it for this video. I do plan on like folding this up. Actually, yeah, let me fold it in half. Oh, I guess the fold was a little bit in than I thought. Okay, let me, actually no, that's fine. It's just the bullet points. Okay, so let me fold this in. Just make a nice little crease there. And then I plan on putting this in my planner. So let me grab my planner so I can do that and kind of see. But this is gonna be for the following week, which I haven't decorated yet for. So it's gonna be for this week. So it's gonna go in here, and then I could fold it like this, and I can still see my spread because I like seeing like both sides of my spread. And then I'll have this in the middle. I can open it up and I can close it when I'm not using it, like that. And then this one's nice because it's like the end of the month, so it doesn't have anything really. It's just a note page on the back. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you, I'm probably gonna have to move these, in the next video.